You don't ever see person wey dey smile with you, but deep down, dem dey pray make you fall. Na so this story starts inside one small compound for Benin, where love and jealousy dey sleep for the same bed. Amaka, fine girl, soft heart, always dey help everybody. Her elder sister Chioma, strong, sharp. See as sisters love each other. But love no always be wetin e look like. Amaka don finally get job for big hospital. Money begin enter, small small. Life begin change. Neighbors begin hail am. Now you go carry your family now. And na there, the problem starts.
My sister, they proud of you. Oh.
Chioma go dey smile of you, but for night, she go dey stare ceiling, eyes open, heart dey burn. Because truth be say, Chioma don try for years, no job, no breakthrough, and now, small Amaka don pass am. E no easy. One evening, Amaka carry food come meet Chioma.
Chop first.
First now, Chioma smile, but her hand shake small. Jealousy don begin grow, like poison wey no dey show outside. That night, Chioma open her phone, search how to make someone lose everything quietly. And so the love between two sisters start to crack.